This is not just a comment on celebrity marriage. It is an attempt to turn a deeply personal decision into a political spectacle, a political narrative. Amir Khan's marriage has become the latest target in the love jihad narrative after BJP leader Nitesh Rane questioned whether the actor was becoming its brand ambassador and even suggested people rethink watching his films. Since when did the marriage of two consenting adults become a matter for political certification? Gauri Spratt is an independent professional. Amir Khan is a public figure. Whether one agrees with them or not, their marriage is a personal decision. Yet, instead of respecting that autonomy, the conversation has been diverted into communal rhetoric, misinformation. Political leaders are free to express opinions, but when personal relationships are portrayed as ideological battles, the consequences extend far beyond the celebrity couple. It risks deepening social divisions and normalizing suspicion around interfaith relationships. And I'm being joined by Seema Kausar, who's a social activist, as well as Subui Khan, advocate and founder, Rashtriya Jagran Abhiyan. Ms. Seema Kausar, let me just start with you. How do you look at this? You know, there are two things to this. One, Amir Khan and his third marriage that has created a lot of conversations. Well, that's his personal life. And he has a professional life. And then you have somebody like the BJP leader who's gone on to say two things. One, he's appealed to people to make a choice of whether they should be watching the movies of such actors, and also calling the marriage, the third marriage, linking it to love jihad. How do you look at it?
Very good evening, and thank you for having me in your channel. So, see, it is really ironic to say that when the BJP or RSS daughters are married to a Muslim houses, at that time no one question it. No one say that it is love jihad or all those things, and don't vote to that BJP leader, or don't vote to that, don't discard that RSS people. All those things nobody says. But here, Amir Khan is just a namesake. He is a Muslim. They just wanted to do the Hindu-Muslim politics. That's it. They don't have ethically or really, they don't have this kind of thinking, or I don't believe it. If it was so they really wanted to that protect their Hinduism, or they wanted to protect Hindutva or anything, it is really it is their concern. First they have to move out their daughters. They should take out their daughters from the Hindu Muslims houses, whose BJPs and RSS leaders who are married to Hindu girls. At that time, they don't say. So here it shows how pathetic
No,
and
no,
how
it's you know a question that's really emerging, and I really want both of you to talk about this. You have three women who Amir Khan has married over the period of time. Three women who are educated, three women who are independent, three women who have made their life choices. None of the women who have come out and said that this was a conspiracy against them. None of the women who have come out and said that we were forced to convert. None of the women who have even complained against Amir Khan. All three women who have been seen together with Amir Khan multiple times. If we can have those pictures up, please. Let me just get in at this point my second panelist, Subui Khan. Ms. Subui Khan, how do you look at it?
Yeah. First of all, I want to congratulate your channel for conducting a debate on this subject, because this is I think the most confused, or you say that subject which needs to be clarified in the public. You know, we see two extreme different opinion on the matter, on the subject of love jihad. Some people say that love jihad does not exist at all. This is a figment of your imagination. Love jihad kuch hota hi nahi. And some people say कि if a Muslim guy marries a Hindu girl, this is love jihad in every case. I have an opinion different from these two extremes. If you talk specifically about Amir Khan's marriage with Gauri Spratt, I want to give you one example, and please let me finish because it will give clarity on the subject. Any marriage of a Muslim guy with a Hindu girl is called love jihad if these three conditions are followed. If the Muslim guy has hidden or manipulated his identity, He has not disclosed to the Hindu woman that he's a Muslim. He has changed his name or fabricated his entire personality to lure the girl into marriage. Second thing, if the guy pressurizes the Hindu girl to convert either before marriage or after marriage. And the third condition is once the Hindu girl gets married to a Muslim guy, if that Muslim guy using Sharia law or in the garb of personal laws, he uses triple talaq or talaq Hasan or talaq Ehsan or just give extra, judicial, uh, extrajudicial one-sided pronouncement of talaq to that girl, or he follows bigamy or polygamy and he brings another woman stating that he's covered by personal laws, then such a marriage is called a love jihad, and there is no other name for it. But in the case of Amir Khan and Gauri Sprat, I want to reiterate that neither Amir Khan has hidden his identity, nor he has pressurized Gauri Sprat to convert to a different religion. And even if we see the other two marriages, he has never, used practices like triple talaq, talaq Hassan, or polygamy or bigamy. Like he has one wife at a time. So this marriage in particular does not qualify as love jihad. And I'm saying it with full responsibility as an officer of the court also, and as a social activist also, because I have been working on love jihad cases and we have a list of such cases where Hindu women are being abused in the name of love. तो हम लोगों को ये जरूर कहना चाहिए कि आमिर खान की शादी लव जिहाद नहीं है, ये सच है, लेकिन लव जिहाद होता है.
No, but
ये
that's
भी
not
एक
the
सच
point.
है.
I mean,
Love jihad is
we're
a
not
figment of
debating love
imagination.
jihad hota hai ki nahi hota hai, because that then becomes like a, as if you're just conceptualizing something. Let an incident come up and we'll discuss whether it is love jihad or not.
There
Here
are
you have
many incidents. There are many incidents.
I am not.
have told
See,
you,
there's always
if
a
these
reason
three
for a
things
debate. No,
come
there's
in
always a
relationship
reason
or
for a
marriage,
debate.
Then that's love
Subui
jihad.
Khan, there's always a reason for a debate. This is not the place to debate whether there is love jihad or not. Here you have a BJP neta, Nitesh Rane, who's gone on to say a simple thing, linking Amir Khan's marriage to love jihad, and asking people should they be watching to think whether they need to be watching such movies or not.
See,
Do you think this is
condemn
outrageous?
Such statements. I never promote, I never rationalize, I never justify such statements. I truly believe that if you are an adult, if you are living in India, you are free to marry anybody of your choice, and two people from different religions can marry under Special Marriage Act. The marriage is absolutely legal. लेकिन मैं फिर दोहराऊंगी, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम ये कहें कि लव जिहाद कुछ होता ही नहीं है और आरएसएस और बीजेपी की इमेजिनेशन है.
Doing propaganda on one or two cases, it is not that every Muslim is doing a love jihad. So you are telling like that only Amir Khan is not done the love jihad, other people are doing the love jihad.
No. Again,
I don't think Subhi Khan said that. Let me just come in. Seema Kausar, I don't think she is. No, let me just come in. Let me just.
Cases of love jihad which are actually love jihad.
Human mentality is the same. Human as the human, whether it is belongs to Hindu or whether it is belongs to Muslim, whoever it is belongs to. Human mentality is human mentality. Maybe one or two cases have done by the consequences.
Not one,
that,
two cases, ma'am.
No.
Thousands of
No,
cases.
I don't agree.
I have
Even
proper
in
research
Kerala,
on the
even in
subject.
Kerala,
I have hundreds and thousands of cases of love jihad.
The people to clarify whether
You
love
are
jihad
most welcome. I can show it to
conducting or
you.
not, that they are failed to give the
Amir
report. They are
Khan's
failed to
marriage
give
is
the
not
report
love
in
jihad,
Kerala.
but there are
But can you
thousands
say
of
in other
cases of
states
love
that
jihad
is going
which have
on?
happened in the
How you
past.
can say that in other
Not
states
one or
the
two
love jihad
odd
is going
cases.
on in the court, people are
Thousands
All right, let me
of
just come in. Let me
cases.
just come in. Let me just hold it. Miss Seema Kausar. 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 The problem is if we just shout over each other, no viewer will be able to make sense of what we are talking. So go ahead, Seema Kausar, make your point.
Yeah, I wanted to say that then when the court, the people who are appointed by the court, they failed to prove that love jihad is happening, then how can anyone can say that the love jihad is happening with the that means whether we have to agree
No,
the
court
now what
has,
is
no,
saying,
there are also
or we
cases
have
which
to,
have proved love
agree the
jihad.
people who, what the court has said. Or you tell me as an anchor or as a citizen of India, you believe the man's words or the court's word. When the court denied that love jihad is not happening, then how can she can sit and give this kind of misconception or misinformation through your channel?
Can can
I
I
don't,
say something
I
here?
don't agree for these things, such kind of word. If there is any proof, when the court denied it, then we don't have any kind of right to say that yeah, love jihad is happening. I do
Can I
agree
say
one or
something
two
here?
cases
Please,
has been
please allow
occurred
me.
because of this. See, mob lynching is also happening. That is accepted by the court, but still BJP people deny that there is no such kind of things. Then when the court agreed there is no love jihad, then they cannot say that love jihad is there. We
Seema,
have to respect the
Seema
court
Kausar
word.
making a point. Subui Khan, come in at
You
this
are
point.
repeating your point. Let me counter this. There was a time when even sati pratha was not considered illegal. There was a time when even dowry deaths were not considered illegal.
I'm talking about the
कोई भी
current
अपराध,
period,
कोई
ma'am.
Okay,
भी
let him,
I'm
crime
talking about
let,
अगर
the
let
समाज
Subui
में
Khan
आ
make the
रहे
point.
हैं,
Let
scenario.
Subui Khan
it
make the
takes
point.
time. कोई भी क्राइम अगर बढ़ता है और उसकी संख्या बढ़ती है, स्टैटिस्टिकली वो बढ़ता है, तब उस पर लॉज बनती हैं, तब कोर्ट्स उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करता है कि yes, this is a crime and it should be stopped. Love jihad is a crime which is
मॉब
increasing
लिंचिंग को
in the
कोर्ट ने
country.
अग्री किया है, फिर भी
People
बीजेपी
are
ही अग्री
using
करती है कि मॉब
this
लिंचिंग होता है,
with
दलित
nullified
के ऊपर अट्रॉसिटीज
intentions
होते
of
हैं,
mass
ये
conversions in India.
करती है. अब
One
हम
day
आपकी बात
courts
के लिए
will
माने या
recognize
कोर्ट की
this
बात को
as a
माने, आप बता
crime.
दीजिए
We'll
मुझे.
come to you.
One
So
day
your
Let
even
Subui
position
Khan
is
Parliament
speak.
of the country will
Seema
make a
Kausar,
law against
nobody
love
can
jihad.
really make sense of what you're talking if you don't allow Subui Khan to speak. Go ahead, Ms. Subui.
Yeah. All I'm saying is this: when a crime comes into society and it increases rampantly, it takes some time for the system, for the courts to recognize and realize that yes, this is a specific kind of a crime and it needs specific laws to counter this. Even sati pratha was not a crime earlier. Even dowry deaths was not a crime earlier legally.
You
But
know,
now it is.
no,
Similarly,
let me
one
just
day
come in.
love
Subui Khan,
jihad will
let me
also
just
be considered as
come
a
in.
crime and laws will be made in the
You know,
parliament
but the
of
point
land.
is, this whole fixation over love jihad for everything and anything.
Yes,
Anything.
that's wrong.
Like Amir
That's
Khan's
wrong.
marriage, love jihad. Something else, everything between a Muslim and another religion, love jihad.
That's wrong,
That's
absolutely wrong.
absolutely.
Yes, ma'am.
And it
You know, I
dilutes
don't
the
want to
Exactly
make
my
seriousness
point.
of the matter.
extreme sentences, but what has to
Connecting
be
every
called out has to be
marriage with love
completely
jihad
called
is
out. And let's
diluting
also
the
remember the fact the
seriousness
Home
and
Ministry
gravity
has
of the
told the
issue.
Parliament that there is no definition of love jihad.
Yes,
The Home
exactly.
Ministry
That is what my point.
itself has gone ahead and told the Parliament that there is no ministry, so there is no term, there is no definition, there is no term of love jihad legally coined or mentioned or defined specifically in our country. That's also another reality of what.
Can I say something here, please?
Yes,
Can I
please.
say something
Yes,
here?
please.
If there is no legal or specific definition, does that mean that we should not talk about it? We should not spread awareness about it,
The debate
and we should
today,
not try
the
to bring
debate
reform
today,
in the society if
what
some
is
crime
being
is happening?
spread today, unfortunately, Subhi Khan, and this is where I will call you when we debate love jihad, because we have done that in the past, and sure, there have been cases from Kerala, Karnataka that have
Exactly.
that have had a whole lot of debate around love jihad, and we've not shied away from doing those debates. But here's the thing, there is a huge difference when the love jihad word is used for agenda and misinformation. What this BJP Neta has done today is just that. What Mr. Rane has done today has, it just feels like spewing venom against one person whose personal life may not be agreed to by many in this country, but nonetheless that's his personal life. And what's very interesting, and if you have those pictures, this man, this actor, Amir Khan, seems to be able to hobnobbing with all three of his wives together. Again, his personal space. Really not for me to comment, but I'm just saying, if there was anywhere close to a case of love jihad, you would not have this man with 3 wives, 2 ex-wives and 1 wife. Let me be correct here. 2 ex-wives and 1 woman whom he is married to as and is currently his wife, all 3 of them together in the same phrase. Completely out of time. 10 seconds, Seema Kausar.
Yeah, exactly. I completely agree, because even in his birthday, before the marriage, all the 3, his fiancée and ex 2 wives are present. When If it was all, see, nowadays it's become a fashion to say that just to cook their political agendas or to political vote gaining,
Okay.
they are just provoking the people,
Okay.
and
All right.
this is what nothing but a
Okay.
divide and rule. That's
Your
it.
your 5 seconds, Abhi.
Yeah, I just want to say that linking every Hindu Muslim marriage to love jihad is diluting the seriousness of actual love jihad, is diluting the gravity of the matter. This is a serious crime happening in the country, and we
And
should
I
be
think that needs to
responsible
get proved in
about
courts
making
as
such
well.
statements.
But Subi, I would agree with you on one part, and that is just to rake up love jihad in everything is just vitiating an atmosphere which really is nowhere close to what the reality of what they are portraying in any particular case, in this case, Amir Khan's case. But thank you so much, Subi Khan, and thank you very much, Seema Kausar, for your time.